Hi there. Hope you're doing good. Let me first of all thank you uh, for continuous guiding and supporting me and teaching me how the data should work and how the data should be presented. Okay, so yeah, every now and then, like every 1 month or two, I always see the video you shared with me in the beginning. So this is the video, and I recently saw it as well. So and yes, I followed all the filters for the campaigns, for the keywords, and for the IDPR and RMC and RMCPR. And yes, the steps are pretty much clear and no doubt about that. And I also fixed the time with alarms on my mobile. So every 10 p.m., Thursday 10 p.m., I fix the time so that there is no so much difference in the time. And I'm picking the data at the same time to minimize the difference between the values. And I never delay the I try my level best not to delay. Yeah, but not but 2 weeks earlier, yeah, that happened. Okay, so that is clear. No doubt about the functionality, how to pick the data from here and from here as well. Now let me show you the presentation on here. What I'm trying to present in here is that. So to show that yes, why I built is the reason because I can see a lot of difference in the recent past. Let me compare it with the for April 413 and 420. So you can see when we are comparing the week, the second and third week, I guess, uh, from April, you can see all the values are exactly matching and there is no problem in it. Let me check one each month. So if I'll use the yeah, this is also a bit matching, not so much, yeah, but there is a $13 difference minus 1.13. I think this is within the window. This is just $11.9611. Not that much difference. So what are the values on this week and what were the values in the same week we picked last week? So this is what we are comparing in here. And let me try explaining this here as well. So this is the video. This is the value we are picking for last 7 days. This is the value, and this is the value we are picking for the prior 7 days, which were last 7 days for this week. Like so, these are previous 7 days, which means the latest 7 days for this week, which is the previous week. So these should be comparing and matching, which were comparing and matching for as I showed you for the month of April. Let me go back a little more. Not that much difference. Like again, 11 impressions are a bit off, but not that much difference in all of the rest of the fields. Let's compare month number 5. Yep, perfectly matching for these, but there is a slight difference in the IDPR, which is not, I think, which is within the window as well. Only $3, $6 off, one impression and one click off. I don't think so. There is an issue in that. But after that, I think in the month of June, we are facing a lot of difference. Let's take the end of the June and beginning of the July. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so there is not that much difference in the end of June and beginning of July. Now let me compare it end of July and beginning of yeah, there is hell of difference in now. $1,000, $300. Let me find out exactly when the difference started. So let's check 6th, 7th, and 13th. Okay, so there is only $28 difference, $100 difference. So yeah, I think it is building up after the July. I don't know what happened with the data, but I'm not making any mistakes, trying not making any mistakes, for taking the data from the website and pasting in here. But yes, there is a difference building up from July or mid of August. Let me test the beginning of the August. 8.3 and 8.10. Yeah, there is a difference now in the IDPR as well. 250, 179, and 330, which is building up now. Let's check for the 817 and 824, which is last week. And yeah, you can see this is building. I don't know. There is a lot of difference in the spend and CPA. It's building. Previously, when we were using it, this one, only $3 to $4 difference, $6 difference, not much click or impression difference is there. And you rightly pointed out the CPA. But as you said that there should not be 300 around regarding this one. 24th and then 17. So this is last week's data, and it's showing $340 difference in here, 39 CPA, which is, yes, you are right, which is more. But I don't know from why it is coming in here because I'm picking the data. You can see the rest of the data is quite a bit matching, but only the CPA is off. And I'm simply copy pasting the data. Whatever I'm getting it from the website, I'm pasting it in here. So if you can guide me on that, what should be, am I doing something wrong in here? And this is last week, 56 USD difference in CPA. So yes, we can see the differences recently build up, especially for the last 2-3 weeks. The difference is getting higher and higher, and I don't know what will happen today. And what I'll do, I'll record a video of the all the things I do, and I'm just trying to show you that I was doing on these weeks, and these weeks seem to be very promising. No problem in those data, but the data is getting weird now. Like we can see some differences getting bigger and bigger. Although I'm following the same steps, and I'm trying my level best to not to make any mistakes. Though I compare the data, but please guide me on that if this adds something to you. So that is it from my side. Thank you.